3 colourful birds chirped, happily as gentle raindrops fell in a bright green forest. Suddenly, a pink fairy princess appeared, twirling her sparkling umbrella and spreading magic light that turned each raindrop into a tiny rainbow. The birds followed her as she danced along the wet path, guiding them to a glowing sunshine, clearing where flowers bloomed, and the rain faded. Together, they sang a cheerful tune, celebrating friendship, nature, and the joy of a happy journey after the rain.